Welcome to this video lecture on the landmark Supreme Court case, St. Wealth Limited versus the Bureau of Internal Revenue, decided in December 2021. We will explore its significant impact on taxation powers, territoriality, and constitutional law. In this first part, we examine the factual and regulatory background, focusing on the rise of Philippine offshore gaming operators, or POGOs, and the evolution of administrative tax enforcement. The regulatory framework began in 2016 with PAGCOR's license structure. Subsequently, the BIR issued circulars attempting to subject these offshore licensees to specific franchise and income taxes, later linking these to operational compliance during the pandemic. This timeline highlights key milestones, from the 2016 license framework to the 2021 Supreme Court ruling that ultimately struck down both the BIR's rules and specific sections of the Bayanihan II Act. Part 2 delves into the constitutional and statutory issues of the case, including questions of executive encroachment, the territoriality of income, and compliance with the one subject, one title rule. A core finding was the limitation on administrative rulemaking. The court held that the power to tax is exclusively vested in Congress, meaning the BIR cannot create new tax obligations through administrative circulars alone. Regarding the principle of territoriality, the court noted that foreign corporations are taxed only on income from sources within the Philippines. Because POGO income is generated offshore, the local tax base was deemed inapplicable. The ruling also addressed the one subject, one title rule. It determined that inserting permanent tax measures into the Bayanihan II Emergency Relief Act constituted an unconstitutional rider, violating legislative transparency requirements. This comparison table illustrates the legal status of the two acts. While the POGO tax law is a valid statutory amendment, the tax provisions within the temporary Bayanihan II Act were nullified for being improperly enacted. Three core jurisprudential pillars emerged: strict construction against the government, defined jurisdictional limits for taxing authorities, and the necessity of legislative guardrails to prevent bypassing proper scrutiny. In the words of Justice Mario Lopez, the state's inherent power to tax is exclusively vested in Congress. Without such imprimatur from Congress, the BIR cannot arrogate upon itself the authority to impose taxes. To summarize, the BIR's circulars were voided, the riders in Bayanihan II were struck down, and the court clarified that POGO taxation requires an express legislative mandate, specifically provided by RA 11,590. Thank you for watching this overview of the St. Wealth case. The image sources for this video are provided here for your reference.